Experience the signature craftsmanship of Walker Custom Homes in this stunning 1.5-story plan, where open, flowing spaces and well-appointed room sizes come together to create a truly elevated living experience. The gourmet kitchen is a true showpiece, featuring an oversized island, upgraded tile finish, and premium stainless steel appliances perfect for both everyday living and elegant entertaining. A rare, expansive butler's pantry paired with an additional pantry offers exceptional storage and organization. The luxurious primary suite is a private retreat, complete with a spa-inspired bath showcasing a double vanity, walk-in shower,